MAX G2 is a brand new product developed as the second generation of the MAX G30, which performs with upgraded functions. The MAX G2 takes the modern kick-scooter to the next level with 900-watt powerful drive and an extended range of up to 50 kilometers at a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour with large 10-inch self-sealing tires and Segway self-development ride-along technology, as well as traction control system that will never let you down. Also equipped with Apple Find My function, the MAX G2 allows you to track your kick-scooter on your iPhone whenever you need. In the box you'll find the kick-scooter, 3mm wrench, 6 5M screws, valve stem extension, and the power cord. First, unfold the kickstand. Then, unfold the handlebar stem to make sure that the scooter can stand stable. Then, finally, close the quick release lever. Please slide the handlebar and the wires into the stem with the headlight facing forward. Please check and make sure that the wires inside the handle and stem are connected before you put them in. Install 6 screws in order with the included hex wrench. When you finish riding, turn the safety button down and open the quick release lever. Align and fasten the snap hook and the buckle, then lift the stem to carry your scooter. Before activation, please make sure you have downloaded the Segway-Ninebot app and log in. Charge your kick-scooter for 3 seconds to activate the battery before the first use. Turn on the kick-scooter and the scooter will initially constantly beep during activation, with the speed limited to 9.3 miles per hour. Next, open the Segway app. Click Search Vehicle and pair with your scooter. Then, follow the instructions to watch the tutorial video. After the video is completed, click to finish activating the kick-scooter. There are 3 riding modes with the MAX G2: Eco Mode, Drive Mode, and Sports Mode. First, kick off to start. When your riding speed reaches 1.9 miles per hour, your motor will initiate. You can switch speed modes by pressing the power button twice. The speed mode will appear on the display. The speed of Eco Mode is 12 kilometers per hour. D Mode is Drive Mode at 20 kilometers per hour. The S Mode is Sports Mode with top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The MAX G2 is equipped with turning indicators on both handlebars, providing more safety during your riding. When turning left or right, press the left or right to switch the direction indicator. Then the indicator will flash regularly and it can be turned off by pressing the corresponding button again. Press the throttle to speed up when you're on balance on the footboard. Release the throttle to slow down and squeeze the brake lever. The MAX G2 works with Apple Find My. With a global Find My network of hundreds of millions of iOS devices, you can easily track the whereabouts of your kick-scooter by using Apple's Find My tracking. Before using this feature, please make sure to download the Find My app on your iPhone. Then, you can simply activate the Find My function on the Segway-Ninebot app. Click More Functions in the home page. Then, skip to the bottom and choose Segway-Ninebot Lab. Click Locating Vehicle and agree to use the function. Then, start to pair with your kick-scooter in the Apple Find My app. In the Find My app, please click Add Item first, then choose Other Supported Item to start searching for your scooter. Once connected, you can give your scooter a cute name. After that, whenever you need to locate your kick-scooter, you can do so quickly and conveniently via the Find My app on your iPhone. For charging the scooter, open the charge port cover and insert the charge plug. Insert the power cord and plug into a power supply. Close the charge port cover when finished. The MAX G2 also comes with a valve stem extender, which provides an easier way to fill tires with air. Unscrew the valve cap, connect the valve stem extension to the tire valve stem, and then use the pump to inflate the tire. For safety purposes, always wear a helmet or other protective gear while you are riding.